Let us consider a particle is at here. By the application of force, F, the particle is moving by a distance that is dr. So, with respect to this frame that is x and y axis, the position of the particle here is this is r1. This is the first position. This is the second position. With respect to the second position, this is r2. So, let us discuss this. The uh, vertical distance travel is dr. There is the angle between the force and dr is theta. So this is the distance of that. It is dr, and this is the force. The angle between them is theta. Now let us resolve the displacement vector. We will get here we can say this is a displacement also. So its x-axis component is in this direction, that is dr cos theta, and its vertical component is dr sin theta. Force is nothing but, sorry, work is nothing but force into distance. And here the force which is helps to move this particle from position 1 to 2 is F. So force F, and the displacement of this particle by x-axis of this component, that is dr cos theta. So now we can say that work equal to force into the distance traveled by the object. And here we can write it as, we can also resolve force. So by taking force, this is F cos theta, and vertical component of this is, that is F sin theta. The component of the force which helps to move the particle is F cos theta. So W equal to F cos theta into the displacement is dr. This we can also write. So let us consider a block is at here, and force is applying in this direction, that is F. After some time, the block is moved to the distance, that is the distance is S, and it moved to this place. So when we resolve the force into two components, F cos theta component which helps to move this particle from by the distance of S. So by the definition of work we can write as work equal to force F cos theta into distance, that is S. Here we can write distance and displacement both. So according to the theta, we can get work as positive, negative, and zero. So if we consider theta that is less than 90 degrees, we get the work is positive work. And if we consider theta equal to 90 degrees, the work is 0. Here we get work is in positive. So the block is placed here and we are applying force F that is equal exactly 90 degrees to this block. So the block won't move, its position won't changes. So here we can write as W equal to F cos that is 90 to displacement. Displacement means also won't changes. We can write it 0. Theta greater than 90 degrees to get work is negative. Now let us consider this. This is a pulley. If we are pulling this thread by some force F, the tension acts in this wire or thread is T. Its weight of the component is acts downwards. If the block moves up to the distance of x, here I mean here, work done by the gravity or by self weight, you can write it as this is mg. So W equal to, here force is its self weight, that is work done by gravity. You can take it as gravity. So mg cos, here cos is cos theta. Theta is 180 degrees. That means displacement is in upward direction and force acting in downward direction. And the angle between them is 180 degrees. So pi into displacement is x. So W equal to minus mg x. Here, so we can say this as the negative work. Yeah, okay. Thank you.